Everyone goes through a rough time while healing emotionally, while being in a different phase, where other individuals goes through a delicate process. Once it comes to healing your partner, then it actually requires having patience towards the other person's feelings while understanding exactly what he or she going through, and also don't forget to give your partner unwavering support as much as possible. At some point, they have times that your partner will feel the times that they are going through is challenging. On the other hand, you may have to be the inspirational one that actually make your partner very comforting as you are encouraging your loved one. In this way, this can actually have a different role towards your partner life both emotionally and physically. Within their journey, here are different ways that we are going to look into how to make your partner emotionally heal. Now let's begin. While making the most impactful place is you are adding a wonderful choices within a more safer space, while creating a unique, comfortable environment with a positive lifestyle choices for your loved one, in other for your partner to stay more safe within the environment that you have created. In this way, your partner will start to safely open up with you by expressing how they are feeling about the different issues that is affecting them. This will cause your partner to share their emotions with you without being judgmental with you or about their problems. On the other hand, be sure that your partner know that they are feeling a lot more valid and accepted as you are creating a positive space in other for your partner to communicate with you more. Actively listen to what your partner is telling you. Be sure to practice what your partner is saying in other for you to understand your partner emotions, in other for you to emotionally connect with your partner. As they talk to you, be sure to give your partner all of your attention while they are talking to you, as well as you are connecting with they are in contact towards what they are saying to you, and also briefly reflect back to what your loved one is saying or expressing the different issues with you, in other for you to understand that you genuinely hear what your partner is saying. At the same time, while you comprehend your lover feelings, show more empathy to your partner feelings. Alternatively, your partner may show different emotions in the way that they are feeling. On the other hand, what you need to do is that you need to have more empathy towards your loved one. For example, if your partner is depressed, sad, emotional, or perhaps more angry, that everything is not going the way that they love, what you need to do is to place yourself in your partner's feelings and pretend that you are your partner while thinking towards what they are doing as you are putting yourself in your partner's shoe. And also be sure to understand and accept how your partner feeling towards the situation that they are in as you are willing to look towards acknowledging your partner experiences in their life while they are in another complicated level in their life. And whatever you do, please try not to minimize or dismiss your partner feelings towards their issues in their life while it truly affecting them. For example, you can say, I understand this is tough for you, can go a long way. There will be times when life may be tough on your partner in life. Emotionally, it will take time in other for your loved one to get over the heavy pain, as your partner is healing towards the difficulties. For many others out there, the healing process is a lot more different for each person that is having the problems. In this case, others may have a unique way towards healing towards variation of pain. On the other hand, you should take a lot more time in other for you to understand your partner progress towards handling the different situation that your partner have been through, as you may recognize that healing might be very slow for some people. And whatever you do, please do not rush or pressure your partner to get over it. Instead, you should offer steadfast support, spending time on different things that the both of you love doing together, as you encouraging your loved one on interesting task that is positive for you and your partner, which the both of you love doing. You can either engaging in shared activities that excites both of you, for example, whether it is any hobby or different exercises, whether it's at the gym or exercising the mind. Or it can be that the both of you simply spending great quality time together by having fun or dating. Will can contribute to a positive environment and foster emotional healing, as you embracing your approach with compassion and kindness with your loved one. As your partner is going through having bad days or dark times, then your partner will feel like they are accepted by you, and hopefully they might love you back. On the other hand, healing someone with their problems may not always be straightforward as usual, and also your partner may have setbacks while going through different issues. However, with your compassionate attitude, this may create a greater atmosphere. While your partner is feeling a lot more accepted and loved by you, you can show your partner more love and affection. For example, you can either demonstrate your deepest feelings to your loved one through love, by caring physically, or it can be verbal affection. In this way, you can provide other lovely techniques. For example, you can either demonstrate yourself showing kindness, or it can be hugs, or it can be words of affirmation. This small gestures can provide reassurance and comfort during challenging times. by encouraging self-care habits to your loved one is another way, in which case, this will cause the individual such as your partner to more likely to better contribute to his or her emotional well-being. For example, you can show your partner other self-care habits that will cause them to become more joyful in themselves, or it can be relaxation and a great sense of fulfillment in their life. Having time together as you are growing with your partner, the both of you can grow as you are focusing your attention towards creating personal development. You and your partner can do activities like, for example, the both of you can either attend different kind of workshops, or you can either read other self-help books, or any successful book that will make the both of you feel a lot more successful. Or the both of you can either engage in couples therapy, in order to help the both of you strengthen your connection as a couple. Or it can be the both of you can create a foundation for mutual growth. In conclusion, helping your partner while they are in the dark or bad moment of their life, while supporting your partner's feelings by creating other helpful solutions in order to emotionally heal your partner with their problems, which can be very meaningful towards the long road, as it may be a compassionate journey as your partner is healing, while you are creating a secure route that is emotionally safe. And for your partner space, as you are closely and carefully listening to your partner. Or on the other hand, you can seek professional support when necessary with your partner if they are having severe issues in life, in order for you to better contribute to a nurturing environment for emotional well-being. In other words, you and your partner will have all the energy in order to better navigate the path of healing. The both of you will definitely fostering a deeper connection, and even by showing more resilience within your successful relationship with your partner.